Istanbul is the largest city in Turkey, serving as the country's economic, cultural, and historic hub. Hi, in today's video I want to show you the most beautiful places of Istanbul, as well as some local traditional food you can try whilst visiting Istanbul. And this is Grand Bazaar, one of the most famous places where you can get anything you want: spices, clothes, jewelry, electronics, up to you. Wow. And today is extremely busy because it's still a holiday celebrated here in Istanbul and in other Muslim Islamic places because of the Eid al-Adha. Wow. Extremely busy. Look at this. It's crazy in here. What is the name of this one?
Çatal.
Çatal. Çatal. Çok güzel.
Harika.
Harika. Çok güzel.
Çay var mı? Çay.
Çay. Perfect time to try something new. Perfect food day. I agree with you. This must be amazing. So this is the first thing you should try. This is one of the street foods. It's a grilled chestnut. This is a very famous tree in Lithuania, but we don't really eat the thing itself, so I'm very curious to try. This is how it looks. Just peel the skin off. Woo, it's very hot. Okay, let's give it a go. So interesting. A little bit sweet. It's actually nice. It reminds me of potato, sweet potato, but more dense. It's actually cool. Very interesting taste. You should definitely give it a go. This is another thing to try. Street foods, mussels, seafood, very fresh. These are 3 lira, these are 5 lira, depending on the size. Yes, just open up, a little bit of lime. Here it is. Teşekkür ederim. Yee! Let's try.
Tabri.
Very nice.
Yes.
Very meaty. It's actually not just the mussels, but it's rice, mussels, pepper and salt and a squeeze of lemon. Wow, it's a lovely snack.
Peki bunun garantisi ne? Mesela paranı
Yes.
yemez mi? Yemez.
Definitely worth it. Very delicious. I love it. So I'm hungry again, and I think this is a perfect place to come and have my dinner. Blue Döner restaurant. It's like a buffet style thing, so you can get different kind of options from meats, vegetables to desserts, etc. Look, massive lamb legs, turkey legs. Veggies here, etc. Wow, kebab, doners. Looks like a perfect Turkish place to try some food.
Şöyle gelin, ayranınız burada. Merhaba, buyurun.
For my dinner, I've got some traditional Turkish dinner, salad, simple vegetable salad, ayran, which is a very nice and refreshing yogurt, salty yogurt drink, and basmati rice together with a huge chicken, as well as dolma, I think that's how it's called. So, yeah, grape leaves wrapped with, rice wrapped in the grape leaves. So, yeah, I'm very curious to try all of it. Let's give it a go with this one. Super nice. A little bit acidic from the vinegar, salty. But I like the texture of the leaf. It's super refreshing. The salad is very fresh, super crunchy, simple yet. Nice. Let's try rice. There are some berries inside. I'm not sure what they are. Black. Looks like goji berries. But I'm not sure. Very nice. Chicken. Look at the size of it. It's huge. We are definitely not stingy about the big sizes in here. Let's give it a go. Yeah. It's a little bit dry though. It's nice, but a bit dry. Yeah, but it's okay. Generally, it's a lovely dish, but nothing really special. I prefer all the street snacks, all the street food. I don't know. Yeah. Let's try ayran. Cheers. Oh yeah, it's lovely. Oh, so refreshing. Lovely, salty, yogurty drink. It's perfect to finish off my meal. For all of it, I paid 45 lira, so it's not a bad deal. It's good. So I'm in Taksim Square and it's time for me to say goodnight. I'm going home to sleep and relax a little bit. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, thumbs up, leave a comment below, don't forget to subscribe, and of course press the bell for future notifications. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye!